Hello learners, today in this video we are going to learn 7th standard science chapter number 2 plants structure and function. In the previous video we have learned about types of roots and functions of the roots. So let's continue with the same topic. Before we get started, let's take a look at the agenda. The first module is modified roots and types of modified roots. Then we will move to the next module, that is prop roots. Let's move towards the type of modified roots. The types of modified roots are aerial roots, stilt roots, runners, and breathing roots. Let us learn about aerial roots and its function. First, we will understand what is meant by aerial roots. However, not all plants have their roots underground. Some plants have their roots growing above the ground. These are called aerial roots. Unlike underground roots, these aerial roots are also responsible for absorbing nutrients, anchoring and affixing the plants by supporting them to the structure such as nearby wall, rocks, etc. Few examples of plants with the aerial roots are bonsai, banyan tree, mangroves, etc. Aerial roots enable plants to breathe air in habitat that have waterlogged soil. The roots may grow down the stem or up from the typical roots. Aerial roots may receive water and nutrient intake from the air. There are many types of aerial roots. Some such as mangrove. Aerial roots are used for aeration and not for water absorption. Next type is stilt roots. It supports the plant above the soil. That means a root that arises from the lower bole. Bole means trunk and runs obliquely to the ground as shown in the mangroves and palms. Another example is roots of sugarcane. Because of their appearance and because they provide the main physical support to the plants, they are called as stilt roots. These roots also have many pores through which atmospheric oxygen enters into the roots. Next type is runners. Runners, vegetative propagation, that is reproduction. Meaning of runner is sexual reproduction produces individuals that are genetically identical to the parent plant. Examples are strawberry, peppermint and spider grass. Next type is breathing roots or pneumatophorus. Used for breathing. Students, we all know that for all living things, oxygen is necessary for breathing, that is respiration. Underground tissues of any plant requires oxygen for respiration, and in mangrove environment, oxygen in soil is very limited or nil. This is necessitates mangrove roots system to take up oxygen from the atmosphere. Mangrove species have specialized above ground roots called breathing roots or pneumatophorus. These roots have numerous pores. Pores means small holes through which oxygen enters into the underground tissues. In some plants, breathing roots also provide mechanical support to the tree. Students, mangrove is a shrub or small tree that grows in coastal saline. Saline means soil containing salt or brackish water. Brackish water is the water in which commonly salt water and fresh water mix together. Mangrove term is also used for tropical coastal vegetation consisting of such species. So, this was all about modified roots and its type. Prop roots. Prop roots are seen in banyan tree. These roots arises from the branches and grow towards the soil. Once reaching the soil, they support the canopy of the huge tree. So let's summarize what we have learned in this session. Students got familiar with the meaning of modified roots, its types and functions. Lastly, we got acquainted with prop roots. Thank you.